With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, so the question is, which of the following structure is the correct Haworth representation of D aldose? Okay, and here we have a D aldose. So if we draw it over here, so here we have something like this as, so here we have a like this, okay, and at this position we have C double bond O and H, okay, here the position of OH is left, okay, and here we have H. Now OH is at right and H is at left. OH is at right, H is at left, okay, and here OH is at right and H is at left, okay, and here we have CH2OH, okay. So now this is called D-glucose. Reason for this is as here we have CH2OH, okay, and just above the CH2OH we have a chiral carbon, okay, and in this chiral carbon the position of OH is at right, okay, so that is why this is called D, okay, and if the position of OH is at left, then that is called L, okay, and D stand for dextrorotatory and L for levo, okay. So as here we have D aldose, okay. So now as here we have to tell about the Haworth structure, okay. So for that, in fifth carbon we have OH and here we have a electrophilic carbon, okay, because here we have a oxygen, okay, so oxygen will pull electron density to itself, so here it will get delta negative and here we have delta positive, okay. So and in oxygen we have a lone pair of electron, so this will act as neutrophile, okay. So this lone pair of electron will attack on this electrophilic center, okay, and this bond will shift over here, okay. So here we will get something like this as this one. Here we will have oxygen like this, okay, and like this, okay, and as this oxygen has attacked on this carbon, so here we will have H and here we will have positive, okay. So now as here the position of OH is not determined, okay, so here we have to draw it like this because here the position is not mentioned, okay. So here we will have O negative, okay. So this is our first carbon, okay. So now as here we can see that in a second carbon we have OH at left, okay. So this means that here OH will be above and H will be below, okay. In third carbon we have OH at right, okay. So here we will have OH, okay, and H will be at like this, okay. Means in this structure that is called Haworth structure, the groups which are at left will be written as above and the groups which are at right will be written below, okay. So now as OH is at left, okay, so here we will have to write OH at above and H at below, okay. Fifth carbon, okay, and here we have a oxygen bond, okay, and here we have CH2OH group, okay. So here we will have to write it as CH2OH and H will be at like this, okay. So now as here we can see that we have O negative and here we have a H, okay. So here we will get something like this as this O negative will attack on this H plus ion and this bond will shift over here, okay. So from here we will get something like this as here we will have oxygen, okay, and here we will have this one and OH, okay, and here we will get something like this, okay. So now OH will be at above, H will be at below, OH will be at above, OH will be at below, okay, H will be at below, OH will be at above, and here we will get CH2OH, okay, and here H, okay, and this is called intramolecular proton exchange, okay. Now as here this is called our Haworth structure, okay. So if we see the options, okay, so now in a option at second carbon OH is at below, okay, and as here we can see that OH is at above, so this means this can't be our option, so this is wrong. Now in a B option we can see that OH is at above in second carbon and OH is at below in third carbon and OH is at above in fourth carbon, okay, and here we can see that OH is above at second and OH is above at fourth, okay. So this means this is our correct option, okay. Now in a third option we can see that OH is above, OH is above, OH is above, but CH2OH is down, okay. So that is why this is not our correct option. And in the last option we can see that OH is at below, but as here OH is above in second carbon, okay. So that is why this is our wrong option. So this means our correct option is option B. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.